toast.
Yeah, super.
Sausage.
So cheese come from milk and the milk come from cow. Similarly, the sausage comes from meat and fish.
Meat and fish come from. Yes, yeah. Ippaya. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I wrote, ma'am.
You wrote? Yeah. Now Shivani also came. Shivani, why are you late? Shivani, can you hear me? Shivani is there? Shivani, you can hear me or not? Shivani, good morning. Shivani, can you hear me? You can hear anything about Shivani voice, Ashmita?
No, ma'am.
No. I can't also hear. Okay, you written this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After this slide, you can write the next one. I think it's a juice. You can write the juice comes from vegetables and fruits and it comes from plants. Okay. Shivani is in line. Can you say yes or no? Shivani, are you in line, Dakanna? Shivani, கேக்குதா உங்களுக்கு? நீங்க ஏதாவது பேசி பாருங்க அஷ்மிதா.
Shivani. Ma'am, she's not responding.
Yeah, she is not responding. Again, she connected to audio. Shivani, say good morning. ஓகே மைக் எடுத்துட்டு பேசுங்க பாப்போம். ஹெட்போன்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஹெட்போன்ஸை வந்து ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டு நார்மலா பேசுங்க பாப்போம். சிவானி, உங்களோட ஃபேஸ் வந்து எங்களுக்கு கிளியரா தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. கேன் யூ அட்ஜஸ்ட் யுவர் ஸ்பேஸ்? அந்த மொபைல் இல்லைன்னா சிஸ்டமோட இதை வந்து கொஞ்சம் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா? ஐ கான் see your full space. ஃபுல் ஃபேஸ் வந்து தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. அஷ்மிதா, உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதா?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, Shivani. Shivani is there? சிவானி என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க? சிவானி கொஞ்சம் ஃபேஸ் தெரியற மாதிரி அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா கண்ணா. ஹலோ 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 சார், கேக்குதுங்களா? Okay, Shivani, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, good. Now it's okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. உங்களோட ஃபேஸ் தெரியற மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் சிஸ்டம் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க பாப்போம். Yeah, good. Now all of you okay? Ashmita and Shivani, both of you okay? Yeah, good, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, so today we have to see about food, okay? The sources of food. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
ஓகே, நீங்க வர்ற வரைக்கும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம் அப்படின்னா, நானும் அஸ்மிதாவும் கொஞ்சம் ஜென்ரலா கேம் விளையாடுற மாதிரி விளையாண்டுட்டு இருந்தோம். ஓகேவா? Yeah, tell me, Shivani.
Ma'am, before slide the cheese and all, I saw, ma'am, but I didn't hear what you were saying, ma'am.
Yeah.
Not
I will tell.
audible.
Okay? So what I told in previous slides, I will tell. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So where does it come from? Okay, the food. So where does food come from? Food comes from plants and animals. Do you know that?
Yes.
The food.
Yes, ma'am.
The food comes from plants and animals.
Yes.
And the tomato, egg, bread, milk, cheese, what and all you have to eat, that also comes from plants and animals. All of you know that?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, this is the pasta. You eat noodles, Shivani?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
That noodles comes from where?
Ma'am, no idea.
No idea. So here they given. Okay, this is the picture. Can you see the picture now? So the noodles is nothing
Yes,
but
ma'am.
pasta. Okay, so you can write the name only. The pasta comes from flour. That flour comes from cereals. Okay, so the pasta or dash போட்டுக்கோங்க, it comes from flour, and the flour comes from cereals. And second one, you can write the first one, Shivani.
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay. Completed. Next one,
Yes,
omelette. Do you like the omelette?
Yes, ma'am. It's from
Super.
egg.
Okay, good. So the omelette comes from egg, and the egg comes from hen. Okay?
Hen.
Yeah, hen.
Ma'am, some people used to eat the eggs without cooked or.
Yeah, without cooked, he used to.
They will drink some people
What
they'll drink those yolks and that white color part of the eggs, ma'am.
Yeah, yes.
Without boiling it. They break the eggs and they will pour into a pot and they will drink.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Can you
some-
eat the egg? Can you eat the egg without cooking?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then I will take vomit. Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, but some people, what they used to do, they actually they never they won't break the egg and make omelette, ma'am. Instead of that, they'll
boiling the egg.
boil and
Yeah,
they'll
they boiled and they eat the egg. Yeah.
So
some people used to like to eat the omelette. Some people used to like the boiled egg. Correct?
Ma'am, I like to eat boiled one.
Boiled one?
When I eat the boiled
ma'am.
egg without egg, salt or pepper, it will be like vomit.
Yeah. I too like
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
vomiting, okay? Without salt and pepper,
That
it's
will be
like
not
giving vomiting sense, okay? Because the smell of the egg only it's giving that smell.
Yes,
Okay, but
ma'am.
I used to eat omelette only. Boiled egg is not like that much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivani, you like omelette or boiled egg or both?
Ma'am, omelette I like little bit, ma'am. Boiled egg I like more.
Okay, good. Ashmita,
Ma'am,
you?
I like omelette because it has onions, all.
Onions and salt and pepper, whatever and all. Okay, yeah, good. So next one, cheese. Can you like the cheese, Shivani?
Ma'am, cheese I like very much.
Cheese you like very much. Very good, very good. So the cheese comes from milk and the milk
Ma'am,
comes
what?
from cow.
Ma'am, whatever things comes from milk I like very much, ma'am, except curd, ma'am.
Why? Why except curd? Huh?
Ma'am, that I don't know, ma'am. From my small age itself, I don't like curd, ma'am.
Okay, but with curd, some people used to add sugar, some people used to add salt, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What do you add with the curd?
Salt.
Salt. You, Shivani?
Ma'am, my mother will make me curd that slices, ma'am.
Okay.
I
Some
like
people,
only
okay,
that.
I saw some people used to curd with the sugar.
Ma'am, I don't like to also, ma'am.
Yeah, I don't like to. Okay, but I eat curd rice with adding the salt only, not sugar. Ashmita, you also?
Ma'am, we could
Yeah,
add some vegetables and
yeah.
we could cook,
Vegetables
and
and
that
fruits,
will be nice.
fruit salad,
Yes,
அதெல்லாம்
ma'am.
வந்து curd riceல போட்டா இன்னும் டேஸ்டியா இருக்கும். ஓகேவா?
Ma'am,
இந்த
I used
functions
to.
எல்லாம் தருவாங்க பாத்தீங்களா?
I like. Ma'am, I like very much.
You like very much that curd rice?
Ma'am, I like.
Whenever my mother cooks, I will ask her to put like kadug
Ah.
and mix it.
Ma'am,
And pomegranate இருக்கு இல்லையா? Pomegranate.
yes, ma'am. In my class,
Ah.
many of them used to mix and eat, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Ma'am,
in
one
curd
day
rice, the fruits of pomegranate and
Ma'am,
some grapes. Okay.
ma'am,
one
in
day
my class.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, in my class, ma'am, one girl, ma'am, she'll on afternoon lunch break time, ma'am, she used to drink one bottle milk, not milk, ma'am, curd fully, ma'am.
Curd fully. One bottle of
Yes,
curd.
ma'am.
One day I
Yes,
brought
ma'am.
Okay.
Afternoon.
But that is all very useful. Okay. But in a summer seasons, the curd, it's like adding a water. It will come to. It will turn into more. அந்த தெரியுமா மோர் குடிக்கணும் அப்படின்ட்டு ஓகேவா
Yes, ma'am.
திக்கா இருக்கிற கர்ட் வந்து என்னவா மாறும் அப்படின்னா லைட்டா சேஞ்ச் ஆயிரும் ஓகே இட் வில் டர்ன் டு லைட்
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I don't like more, ma'am. I only like curd. Curd, little bit I like, ma'am.
ஓகே ஓகே பட் அதெல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த குக்கும்பர்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா சோ இன் சம்மர் சீசன் we have to eat cucumber and more and curd whatever it is these are all the and watermelon
Cucumber I like
important
more, ma'am.
watermelon
Cucumber and yes, ma'am. I like very
Ma'am,
much
I like
cucumber and watermelon.
watermelon okay 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 super
Cucumber also I like very much, ma'am.
okay that and all comes from where that and all comes from where plants. Yeah, very good. So please return Shivani. Cheese comes from milk. Milk comes from cow. After the sausage comes from meat and fish. And it comes from animals. Okay? சீக்கிரமா எழுதுனா
Ma'am,
நம்ம
I'm
நெக்ஸ்ட்
writing.
பார்க்க முடியும் ஓகேவா அஷ்மிதா உங்களுக்கு முன்னாடியே எழுதிட்டாங்க
Ma'am, I know, ma'am. She came before itself.
யா
When
why
I
are you
came
late
itself. No, ma'am. Now I won't look my father's phone, ma'am. Actually, I used to look my father's phone for timetable, ma'am, class timetable, but I
Okay.
didn't see, ma'am.
you just forget to see
And
correct
yes, ma'am. And my father also didn't say me, ma'am.
correct Your father also didn't say anything, correct?
Yes,
Call பண்ணா
ma'am.
கூட பிக் பண்ணல இப்போ.
Ma'am, my mother saw that message on the Team Guruji, ma'am. Then only she understood today class was there.
Okay, good. Yada Kanna, tell me.
Ma'am, one day when I go to school, my father prepared me curd rice, ma'am.
Okay.
And he put grapes inside it.
Okay, that is all very nice. Okay,
Yes,
in
that is
afternoon lunch also, curd rice, lemon rice. Okay, what is your afternoon food in your school days?
For me, every day sambar only, ma'am.
For you, every day sambar?
Yes, ma'am, sambar, ma'am. But different type of sambar,
It's a
ma'am.
boring?
One day she'll cook. Yes, ma'am.
Boring only. Okay.
Yes,
Ashmita,
ma'am.
you?
Ma'am, sometimes I will get curd rice every day because my mother don't have time to cook.
அப்ப எல்லாரோட வீட்லயும் வந்து ஒரே கர்ட் ரைஸ் இல்லனா சாம்பார் அப்படிதான் போயிட்டு இருக்கு போல.
Ma'am, not only that, ma'am, on afternoon my mother will daily keep chapati, at least one chapati she'll roll and keep inside, ma'am.
Very good. Chapati is also good food, okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, every day morning also I'm eating chapati, ma'am. Not also in school days, now also, ma'am.
Now also you ate chapati?
Yes,
Today morning also you ate?
Ma'am,
Yes,
in my class,
ma'am.
they will
Okay,
not
good.
allow. Ma'am, in my class, they will not allow to bring chapati,
Why?
dosa, and idli for lunch, ma'am.
Why? What happened that? Lunch? It's good only, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But what is the reason to avoid that?
Ma'am, I went to Vivekam school for 1 month, ma'am, because I didn't like the school, so I changed to another school, ma'am. Vivekam school,
Okay.
they have every day timetable, ma'am, for what to bring for snacks, what to bring,
My God.
what to bring for food, anything, ma'am.
Chacho.
Even
It's
what
not good.
to,
Yeah.
ma'am, even where to sit and eat the lunch, ma'am, in class or in room, ma'am.
They said one
They
place,
use-
that place and all you have to sit and do
Yes,
their
ma'am,
lunch,
and
okay?
yes, ma'am, and we used to change our classes every day, ma'am.
Yeah. So, which school? Vivekam school.
Yes, ma'am, they have they should not bring this, ma'am, chapati, dosa, idli, noodles, pasta, milk, curd, everything, ma'am.
Oh my
Ma'am.
God.
And whatever.
Ma'am, in our school, in the class, if we talk, the teacher will scold. If we finish eating, then we will talk, ma'am. The teacher will scold. So we should not even talk, ma'am.
You not even talk to students or teachers?
No, ma'am, at lunchtime.
Oh, at lunchtime you don't have to talk anybody, okay?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, for us only, we have totally 3 breaks, ma'am. Morning
Okay.
snacks break,
Afternoon lunch break.
Lunch break, again
Yeah.
on evening,
Evening, it's a break.
one more snacks break, ma'am. This
Ma'am,
3 breaks only we could talk, ma'am. Other time if we talk, teachers will make us to stand outside the class.
My God.
Ma'am,
In 3
Ma'am,
break time only you have to talk with your friends.
Mama, when
Yes,
I'm in
ma'am.
4th standard, Guruji classes there, no, ma'am, in our school.
Yes.
In that time, the teacher will be Nada, so me, my friends, Deepika, Aaron, Sayada, Madhumika, we used to
Yeah.
talk and we used to play hide and seek.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
In
one
Guruji
day,
classes
ma'am.
only you can talk with your friends, correct? In Guruji classes
one
only I
day-
think you can talk and play with your friends.
Ma'am, actually this outstanding purpose, ma'am, this one, if we talk on class time, they'll make us to stand out. I said no, ma'am. That is on LISU, ma'am.
Issue?
Now where I'm LISU, ma'am. On LISU,
Okay.
they'll do like this only, ma'am.
Oh, listen.
Ma'am, one
Good.
time-
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. One time I went to their school and attended class, ma'am. Ashmita's.
Okay. Ashmita class also நீங்க attend பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? Very
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
very
Yes,
good, very good.
Math class, ma'am, algebra.
I went
Guruji
to her school and
classes,
attended.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I went
okay.
to her school and undergrad class.
Okay. So நம்ம வந்து இப்போ
He
இதே
was
மாதிரி
also
நிறைய
there,
வந்து
ma'am.
பேச போறோம். ஆனா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், நிறைய எழுதணும். கரெக்டா? We have to write more.
Yes, ma'am.
நம்ம இப்படி பேசிட்டே இருந்தா அப்புறம் எப்படி எழுதுறது? சோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா ஒவ்வொரு இது எழுதலாம், ஒவ்வொன்னு பேசலாம். ஓகே?
Yes,
சரியா?
ma'am.
நெக்ஸ்ட் இதெல்லாம் எழுதியாச்சா? நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஜூஸ்.
Ma'am, when I now before you were showing this only, ma'am.
Before the எழுதியாச்சா? Before slide? You
Yes,
wrote or
ma'am.
not? Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now juice. Which juice is your favorite?
Mango juice, ma'am.
உடனே மேங்கோலாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. நல்லா யோசிச்சு சொல்லணும்.
Mango, ma'am. Watermelon, mango.
Watermelon and mango. Okay, Ashmita, you?
Mango and lemon.
Mango and lemon.
Yes.
Very good, very
Yes,
good, very
ma'am.
good.
Lemon also I like so much.
பாத்தீங்களா இப்பதான் ஒவ்வொன்னா யோசிச்சு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. Okay, you can write the juice comes from fruits and vegetables and it comes from plants. Okay?
Yes.
எழுதியாச்சா?
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I know she wrote already, ma'am.
Yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed? Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Good. So next we have to see the classes. Okay, how the food comes from. Okay, this is the plants and animals already we have to see. But I have a slide. Okay, can you see the slides?
Ma'am, it's yes, ma'am. So full.
Okay.
Ma'am, do you know which food doesn't get spoiled forever, ma'am?
Which one, Dakanna?
Honey, ma'am.
Honey?
Yes, ma'am. It won't get spoiled.
I can't hear. I can't listen what you told. Can you
Honey,
tell
ma'am.
anytime?
Ma'am, honey, ma'am, it won't get spoiled forever, ma'am.
Yeah. Correct. You can.
Ma'am, this question.
Ma'am, my father will put honey in the milk and drink, ma'am.
Yeah. Honey வந்து மில்க்ல மட்டும் தான் குடிப்பாங்களா?
No, ma'am. In water we could mix, ma'am.
Water
to
also
drink.
and honey வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படியேவும் குடிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? இந்த டாபர்
Yes,
ஹனி எல்லாம்
ma'am.
கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? டாபர் ஹனி and lion dates.
And we can mix what's that?
Ma'am,
Mix with the-
actually, ma'am, when I get cough or cold, ma'am, my mother.
Yeah. காஃப்க்கு வந்து இதுதான் தருவாங்க. ஹனி தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. தெரியுமா?
Yes, ma'am. Cough or cold, my mother will get some honey and she'll put some mustard or something like that, and she'll give me to drink, ma'am. We should not bite that mustard, ma'am. We should swallow it, ma'am.
Okay. Ashmita, what do you follow? Yeah.
Honey, ma'am.
Yeah.
Whenever I get fever, my mother will not allow me to eat biscuits, cream biscuits, juice and all, ma'am. So she will give honey.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
that and all we have to see. So you can write. So நம்ம வந்து எழுதிட்டு பேசலாம். ஓகேவா? So இதுல இருந்து இப்போ என்ன தெரியுது? Food. Where it is comes from? It comes from plants and animals. What are the parts of the plants? Its roots, stems, leaves, flowers, seeds and fruits. Okay? These are all the
ma'am,
parts
in
of
this
plants.
everything.
Yeah, in this everything இதுல எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படியே எழுதுங்க பாப்போம்.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I know all the source, ma'am. From roots we could get carrot, beetroot,
Okay.
then potato, ma'am.
Potato also. Yes,
Potatoes.
correct.
Ma'am, stem.
First என்ன பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னா ஒவ்வொன்னா எழுதுங்க. ஓகேவா? You can write one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, root, stem, leaf, flower, seeds and fruits. First you finish the plant side. Okay, after that
Yes.
what are the vegetables or I think what are the vegetables, the examples of the roots, stem, you can write. Okay, one by one.
Ma'am, we studied
Ma'am,
about
say,
carnivores already, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
studied
We already.
omnivores,
Yes,
herbivores,
ma'am.
carnivores. ஓகே
Yes,
அப்பனா
ma'am.
என்னன்னு உங்ககிட்டே நான் கேட்டுறலாம் ஓகேவா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எழுதி முடிங்க பாப்போம்
Ma'am,
சீக்கிரமா எழுதுங்க
Yes.
எழுதி முடிச்சாதான் கொஸ்டின்
Ma'am,
இல்லனா கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்க
With
மாட்டேன்
with examples, ma'am.
yeah with first இது எழுதுங்க okay you can write the name of the part of the plants after that you can write the examples one by one okay so first you can write the plants and the part of the plants root stem leaf
Yes.
flower seeds and fruits etc okay you can write first after that we
Yes,
can write the examples of the food from the plants okay
Yes, ma'am.
so first plant side முடிச்சிட்டீங்களா all of you finishing the
Ma'am.
plant sides
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't write the examples, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Examples
I
last.
completed with examples. Ma'am, I completed with examples. Ma'am,
Akana?
ma'am, I completed plant side with examples, ma'am.
Examples also completed?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the examples you
Ma'am.
written?
Roots, stems,
Ma'am.
leaves, flowers, seeds, fruits.
That and all not examples, okay? These are all the parts of the plant.
Ma'am. Parts.
Yeah, parts. So now you can tell the example one by one, okay? What are the
For
examples of roots? Shivani already told the carrot, beetroot, and
Ma'am,
potato.
Ma'am, I completed animals also, ma'am, but I didn't write examples, ma'am, for two also. I need to
Okay,
write.
okay. So you
First-
finished both plants and animals. After that, we can write the examples. Okay, there are lot of examples are there. Correct?
Ma'am, I know for stem. I told for roots, ma'am. I know for stem also, ma'am. Stem, sugar can. Sugar cane.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Next one.
leaves I don't know that much, ma'am.
லீவ்ஸ்னா என்ன தெரியுமா நம்ம வந்து கீரை எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டிருக்கீங்களா கீரை
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
and all comes under the leaves okay
Yes.
Spinach,
Ma'am, they'll say malli and all, ma'am.
spinach.
yeah
Spinach.
yeah correct
Ma'am, flowers.
ஃப்ளவர்ஸ்ல என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் வந்து எது எதெல்லாம் சாப்பிடுற மாதிரி இருக்கும் சொல்லுங்க
Rose,
ரோஸ்
rose petals.
ரோஸோட பெட்டல்ஸ் similarly hibiscus
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good for health too, ma'am.
it good for health too okay and seeds
Ma'am, in my grandmother's home, ma'am, we have a lots of hibiscus plants, ma'am. Without my grandmother knows, ma'am, my grandmother likes hibiscus so much, ma'am. So
Okay,
without
okay.
my grandmother knows, I and my sister will pluck those hibiscus and we used to blow it and we'll burst it, ma'am.
okay and it apply for our hair also okay it is also
Yes, ma'am.
too good for our
It's good for
body
yes, ma'am.
okay yeah and you can write the
Ma'am, it
example
will be
okay don't
cool.
tell you can write also one by one then only you can't forget okay
Ma'am, for
otherwise
seeds, what
you
we
and
can
me
write
also
seeds?
forget
Ma'am,
yeah
we
Smita
can,
tell me
ma'am, for seeds we can write peace.
seeds for seeds you can write
Peace. We can-
okay then other than this seeds
Ma'am,
நமக்கு
fruits
என்ன
we
food
know
கிடைக்கும்
many. Ma'am, fruits and vegetables we know many.
fruits and vegetables you know very well I think
Yeah.
what are the fruits are there there are mango and banana
banana, watermelon,
watermelon
Ma'am,
grapes.
Ma'am,
yeah
ma'am, where does dal, ma'am? Dal comes from dal.
Dal.
There's a parupu, no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, dal.
dal
comes
comes
from
from
where?
seeds only
So that can also be example, ma'am.
yeah dal is also one type of example okay so these are all
Yes, ma'am.
comes from plants so how many examples you can write now
For all, ma'am.
yeah for plants only for all the parts of the plants how many examples you can
Ma'am,
write
fruits we can write many.
Ma'am, I wrote everything one, ma'am.
you wrote
Ma'am,
everything one okay
For
good
roots
super
and flowers I wrote two, ma'am. For
okay
except that I wrote one.
okay good so next we can move to the animals Okay.
Ma'am, milk cow. Best example for milk is cow, ma'am.
Okay. Animals in கொடுத்துட்டு இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா milk, meat, poultry, eggs and fish. Examples தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay.
Ma'am, I have seen some of them eating those pig and all, ma'am. They
Yes,
used to say that it's
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
ma'am. They used to eat those bulls and all, ma'am.
Yeah, that is yeah, very good, very good. அதுவும் வந்து சாப்பிடுவாங்க எப்படின்னா இந்த ஐ திங்க் இந்த முஸ்லிம்ஸ்ல பாத்துக்கீங்களா
Yes, ma'am.
அவங்களோட பிரியாணில வந்து பீஃப் இருக்கும், பீஃப் பிரியாணின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க.
Yes, ma'am.
ஓகே,
Yes, ma'am. Even
அந்த பீஃப் பிரியாணில வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கவ்வோடது இருக்காது. ஓகேவா, வேறோட அதாவது புல்.
hen, bull and all they'll put.
Yeah,
hen,
yeah,
bulls.
yeah. சோ அவங்க எல்லாரும்
They
அதை நல்லா
used to put
சாப்பிடுவாங்க. ஓகே
eggs. Ma'am, their biryani will be so tasty, ma'am.
Their biryani is so tasty, but inside the biryani, it is not mutton. Okay,
Ma'am.
do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. One day we went to a Muslim's hotel, ma'am.
Okay,
So there, ma'am, it was that time it was opening of the shop, ma'am.
okay,
And
okay.
they said the food was free for that day, ma'am.
Okay,
And
1
we
minute,
ordered-
Ashmita. Yeah, tell me, Ashmita.
Ma'am, one day me and my mother were coming from the school, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
And that time we will take taxi because my mother don't know to ride car or bike, ma'am.
okay, okay,
When we go in the taxi, full of crowd in that area, ma'am.
okay.
Why? Because they are selling pigs, ma'am.
Pigs. Okay, selling the pigs.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I asked my mother why should we not eat pig. She was telling one worm will come inside our stomach.
Yeah, correct. And Shivani, now you told. Yeah.
Ma'am, and we went and they gave us their special food itself, ma'am. It was actually biryani only, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
And they gave this much big beef.
This
on it,
much
ma'am.
biryani, that is
Biryani
5
also,
kg or 10 kg size,
And beef was so long and big, ma'am.
Beef is so long and
Ma'am,
big.
we
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We only ordered just one plate, ma'am. It was this much, ma'am.
Okay, have you ate that?
Yes, ma'am. At last, it became balanced so much, ma'am.
Balance, okay. You only ate this?
No, ma'am.
Very good, very good. நீங்க மட்டும் சாப்பிட்டா என்ன ஆகும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க? What will happen?
I can't balance, ma'am.
Yeah, you
I
can't balance.
balance.
Okay, so milk is come from cow. That and all we have to see in previous slides. And meat. What are the meat you know?
Ma'am, cow, goat,
Hen. Okay.
hen,
Goat. Goat.
fish.
Fish. Okay. So these are all the meat. Next one, the poultry.
What is mean by poultry?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a chicken. Okay. சிக்கனுக்கு தான் வந்து அவங்க வந்து போல்ட்ரின்னு எழுதிருக்காங்க. சிக்கன் சாப்பிடுவீங்கல்ல, சிக்கன் 65 சாப்பிடுவீங்க தானே?
Ma'am, I didn't even taste chicken 65, ma'am. I only tasted chili chicken, ma'am. That is my favorite, ma'am.
ரெண்டும் ஒண்ணுதான்டா கண்ணா. சில்லி சிக்கனும் சரி, சிக்கன் 65 ஒண்ணுதான். ஓகேவா? அது யார் வேற வேறன்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தது? Yeah, tell me, Ashmita. During the lockdown?
During the lockdown, we used to eat chicken once in a week, ma'am.
Once in a week. Okay, very good.
But I miss chicken now.
Yeah. Now I
Ma'am,
also
lockdown-
missed chicken. Okay. Not only chicken. I missed the what and all தெரியுமா? என்னென்ன நான் மிஸ் பண்ண தெரியுமா? I used to eat noodles. Can you see the noodles? Egg noodles, egg fried rice.
Ma'am, I like very much. Ma'am,
Yeah, I like also very much. Okay, give a high five. Okay.
ma'am, on lockdown.
Ma'am, my
So
father
before the lockdown, I used to eat chili chicken. Okay. And
Ma'am, my
chicken
favorite.
65 and chili parota. Okay, most of my favorite is chili parota. And
Ma'am, when I go to Kerala, ma'am, my uncle used to bake and give me those parota, chili chicken, whatever I like, ma'am.
yeah,
But
yeah.
he even
So
used
that
to
and
make
all I
burger.
miss now. Biryani is my favorite. Okay, that is mutton biryani is my favorite.
Ma'am,
But
my
now
father used to
nowadays
buy
I
noodles
totally
from.
missed it.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, but one more, ma'am,
nowadays my father is.
ஒவ்வொருத்தரா சொல்லுங்க கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது. அஷ்மிதா, yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, but when the grocery store is open now, my father will buy the groceries, noodles and all.
Okay. But now
Morning
also the
it will be
grocery shops
open.
are open, correct? Now
Yes,
also the
ma'am.
grocery shops are open.
But it will close in the evening or
Yeah.
afternoon.
But எங்கேயாவது நூடுல்ஸ் கடை இருக்கிறத பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? Where you see the noodle shops open?
Ma'am, we get noodles from the grocery store, ma'am.
அது ஓகேடா கண்ணா. பட் நூடுல்ஸ் இருக்கிற மாதிரி அந்த இது இருக்கும் இல்லையா, ஹோட்டல்ஸ். In the hotels, can you buy the noodles or chili chicken or biryani?
Cannot buy.
We can't buy. Okay, after the lockdown only we can see the hotels. Yeah, Shivani, tell me now.
Ma'am, on I really miss that chicken and all, ma'am, because
Why she's
ma'am, because I every time I used to eat those things and all only once a year, ma'am. My father won't even buy it, ma'am.
Once a year?
Yes, ma'am.
Once a year? Oh my God.
Yes,
Ashmita, you are better. Okay, once a week you have to eat all those things, correct?
because we don't have time at the working days to cook.
Yeah. So don't
we
have a
will
time to
eat
prepare
chicken
those
at, Sunday.
things. So yeah, very good. And Shivani, you have to eat those things in a year.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, very
Good
good.
for
After
health.
the remaining days, you have to eat only sambar, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can tell what is mean by omnivores, herbivores, and carnivores. Can you tell one by one? Okay, ஒவ்வொருத்தரா கேக்குறேன். Okay, first Shivani, you tell what is mean by omnivores.
Ma'am, omnivores omnivores are animals that eat both plants and that eat both meat and other things, ma'am.
Omnivores or the both eat animals and plants also, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next Ashmita, herbivores means what?
Animals that only eat grass, leaves.
Plants only. Okay, animals that eat only plants, that is known as herbivores. And carnivores means what?
Ma'am, the animals
that eat
they eat only meat.
Vegetarian.
Meat. Okay. So what are the
Like
examples of
tigers,
herbivores? Can you tell the herbivores examples?
Ma'am,
Cow. Okay.
Goat,
Sheep.
sheep.
Deer சாப்பிடுமா? Can you come under the category of deer in herbivores?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you write the example? Okay, so putting the headings herbivores. Okay, first you can write the herbivores, and what is the meaning of herbivores? Okay, that animals can eat only the plants. Okay, herbivores, under the herbivores you can write the definition of that. After that you can write the examples. Okay, so under the herbivores you can write the examples of that. At least 3 examples. Okay, at least 3 examples you have to write. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Once you finished, tell me. Okay, I finished it. You finished? Now, herbivores?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next you can write the carnivores. Carnivores, that animals eat only the meat, not the plants. Correct? So what are the examples of that carnivores?
Lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard.
Okay, you can write only 3. Okay, 3 is enough for carnivores.
That
Next, you finished carnivores?
Yes.
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next omnivores. Omnivores, what is mean by omnivores? It can eat both
Ma'am,
animals,
that eat both.
both plants and meat also. So what are the examples of that omnivores?
Ma'am, best example is human.
Yeah, best
Human.
example is human, ourselves. அப்படியே நம்ம name போட்டுக்கோங்க ஓகேவா? First one is Kausalya, second one is Ashmita, third one is Shivani. Correct?
Ma'am, I wrote common, ma'am. I
You
wrote
wrote common
humans.
people, human beings, okay?
human,
Yes, ma'am.
cow. Sorry,
Cow.
no.
Cow
No,
வருமா?
No, ma'am. Deer.
Beer. Beer சாப்பிடுமா இந்த meat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fish,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Then human beings kapro beer. After that,
Ma'am, one more example.
one more example you can tell. There is 3 example. One example is human being, okay? அது வந்து example கிடையாது. Then beer. After that,
Ma'am, fish.
fish. Fish எப்படி சாப்பிடும்?
Sometimes it will eat some sea plants and tiny fishes.
அது வந்து fishes வந்து இந்த big size fishes ஓட நேம்லாம் தெரியுமா?
Whales,
Yes, ma'am. Whales, sharks.
Shark. அது எல்லாமே வந்து அதுல எழுதிக்கலாம் ஓகேவா? Because shark also eat the plants of the underground sea and the small fishes. Correct?
And sometimes it eat humans when we stuck there.
Yeah. Okay, sometimes it
Yes,
eat
ma'am.
humans also. Okay, what are the next example? You can tell one more examples. Quite சீக்கிரமா சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். Fast.
Ma'am.
Fast சொல்லணும். 10 சொல்றதுக்குள்ள. Okay? 1 2 3 என்ன சொல்லுங்க 4 5 6
Kingfisher.
7
Ma'am, birds.
birds. Which bird?
Bird. Kingfisher.
Ma'am, eagles.
Very good. So Shivani has got the answer. Okay, can you clap for Shivani? Ashmita, yeah, very good. So eagle is one of the best example for omnivores. Okay.
Ma'am, they eat small birds and all, ma'am.
Yeah, very
Small
good.
birds, and they also eat
Okay,
small,
now this
small
slide is
plants.
over. Okay, the food it's come
Yes,
from
ma'am.
plants, animals. So the plants, that is herbivores, animals is carnivores. The both is combined omnivores. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, cleaning of food. Okay, how to clean our food? That is winnowing, hand picking, threshing, and sieving. Do you know that?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so
No.
நம்ம வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து இதத்தான் நம்ம வந்து clear-ஆ பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, so please write one by one. Winnowing, hand picking, threshing, and
Ma'am, I'm
sieving is
writing.
nothing but the method of cleaning the food. What is the method of cleaning the food? ஓகேவா? இப்போ நம்ம கிட்ட ஒரு food இருக்கு ஓகேவா? ஃபுட் இருக்கும்போது அதுல வந்து என்ன இருக்கும்? ஸ்மால் ஸ்மால் பீசஸ்
can
வந்து
I
நிறைய
drink some
ஸ்டோன்ஸ்
water?
இருக்கும். ஓகேவா?
Ma'am, can I drink some water?
Yeah, you can drink.
Ma'am, can I drink some water?
உங்களுக்குமா? ஓகே, அதுக்கடுத்து நானும்
Yes,
குடிக்க
ma'am.
போறேன் அப்புறம். ம் ம்
Science or social? Social.
பாத்தீங்களா, இன்னும் அஸ்மிதா வரவே இல்ல. ட்ரிங்க் பண்ணிட்டு வரேன்னு சொன்னவங்க.
My mother called me to drink hot.
Okay, it finished now. Okay, so now we can see the method of cleaning of our food. Okay, so first
Yes,
one is winnowing, hand picking, next one is threshing and sieving. Okay, all of you written these 4.
Ma'am,
Yes,
wait,
ma'am. I completed, ma'am.
You completed. Ashmita, you?
Ma'am, I'm in threshing.
Ma'am, before going to drink water itself, I completed only one.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am,
completed. Okay, next we can see about winnowing. Okay,
Ma'am, they used to clean rice and all. That is.
yeah. அந்த wheat எல்லாம் தெரியுமா? Wheat.
Yes, ma'am. They use one type of.
Okay, so please you can write the first line itself. Okay, winnowing is used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. Okay, you can write the first line itself.
My grandmother used to do this, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. நம்ம வந்து grandmother தான் நம்ம வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணி பார்த்திருக்கோம். ஓகேவா?
used to separate stones from rice, ma'am.
Yeah, அதுக்கு தான் நம்ம வந்து இது வந்து யூஸ் பண்றோம். ஓகேவா? சோ இது வந்து எப்படின்னா நம்மளோட ரைஸ்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, ரைஸ் அண்ட் வீட், அதெல்லாம் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி விண்ட்ல வந்து நம்ம இது பண்ணும்போது அந்த சின்ன சின்ன ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் பார்ட்டிகிள்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதெல்லாம் வந்து காத்தோட அப்படியே போயிடும். ஓகே, இட் கோஸ் டு த விண்ட் இட் செல்ஃப். அண்ட் நமக்கு வந்து என்ன ரைஸ் வேணுமோ என்ன வீட் வேணுமோ அது மட்டும் நமக்கு அங்க கீழே வந்து நம்ம ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, சோ ப்ளீஸ் ரைட் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன். சீக்கிரமா எழுதுங்க பாப்போம். winnowing is nothing but it's used to separate heavier and lighter components. Okay, அப்ப லைட்டர் காம்பனன்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே என்ன ஆகும்? விண்டில் அப்படியே பறந்து வெளியே போயிடும். கரெக்ட்? லைட்டர் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? விண்டில வந்து பறந்து தானா வெளியே போயிடும். அண்ட் ஹெவியர் எல்லாமே என்ன ஆகும்? இட் ஸ்டோர்ட் இன் தி
metals. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's stored in the next compartment. So
But some falls down. Some falls down.
Yeah, some falls down. And it separates the heavier and lighter components of a mixture by using a wind or by blowing air. Okay, so first line itself you have to finished or not?
I'm
Writing. Okay.
Writing.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed. Very good. Ashmita, you?
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, next வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா அந்த மெத்தட் எங்க யூஸ் பண்றாங்க அதுதான் நம்ம வந்து பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகே, so this
Ma'am,
method
this also we have to complete this line.
இதே எழுதுறீங்களா? எழுதணும்னா எழுதிக்கோங்க. ஓகே,
Yes.
Ma'am,
if you want to write, If you want to write all the things, you can write.
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, I am
ma'am.
ready to write. Ma'am, I am okay to write. Ma'am.
Ma'am, I
பாருங்க,
will
Shivani
write
is
it
okay to write.
Ma'am, I
This
will
is
write
also important, okay? This is the example of the winnowing, okay? This method is commonly used for farmers, okay? Farmersல இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அவங்களுக்கு வந்து நிறைய
Yes.
அந்த கீழ இருக்கிற டஸ்டஸ் எல்லாமே நிறைய இருக்கும் நம்மளோட ரைசஸ்ல. So to separate the dust from rice, they can use the winnowing method, okay? So this method is commonly used by farmers to separate lighter husk particles from heavier seeds of grain. And the husk is carried away by wind. The seeds of grain get separated and form a heap near the platform for winnowing, okay?
Yes, ma'am. After that lighter husk, what is that word, ma'am? PA. And second,
After that lighter
husk,
husk dakana?
yes, ma'am. PA, ma'am. Something that word.
particles. Husk particles, okay? Husk particles நம்மளோட டஸ்ட் எல்லாமே இருக்கும் இல்லையா, சின்ன சின்னதா.
Yes, ma'am.
சிலதுல பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா சின்ன ஸ்டோன்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கும். Small stones are there. Husk
Yes,
is
ma'am.
nothing but
What is
dust
meaning?
particles.
Dust, ma'am.
Yeah, dust. So farmers எல்லாமே வந்து எங்க இருந்து ரைஸ் எடுக்கறாங்க? From the ground, okay? அவங்க வந்து விவசாயம் பண்ணுவாங்க தெரியுமா? Farmers farming.
Yes, ma'am.
So அந்த farmingல இருந்து பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு சின்ன சின்ன டஸ்ட் எல்லாமே வரும். இந்த sand, அப்புறம் small size of stones, இதெல்லாமே நமக்கு வந்து வரும், okay? So for separating that husk particles from heavier seeds, they can use to winnowing method, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Husk is carry.
So this method you can write, okay? This method is commonly used by farmers to separate lighter husk particles, that is the dust particles, from heavier seed of grain. So here the dust is lighter and the seeds of grain is heavier, okay? You understand now?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I started writing those before 12.
Okay, okay, good.
Also,
You also, very good, very good. பட் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன சொன்னீங்க, எழுத மாட்டேன்னு தானே சொன்னீங்க?
yes.
Ma'am, I said.
After Shivani told only you can write. So there are 4 methods only, okay? Winnowing and hand picking, crushing and sieving. So these are all the cleaning methods, ஓகேவா? இந்த மெத்தட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது அப்படின்னா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா வீட்ல வந்து உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு நீங்க ஹெல்ப் பண்ணலாம், ஓகே? You can also help to your parents by using these methods.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
So once you finish, tell me, okay? Completed, Ashmita? Very good. Shivani, you?
Ma'am, last word, ma'am.
Last word, okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we can see the
Threshing.
threshing. So threshing is nothing but the process used to separate the grains from stalks. It's called threshing. இந்த மாதிரி பிக்சர்ஸ்லாம் நீங்க பாத்துக்கீங்களா ஃபார்மிங்ல?
Yes, ma'am.
அவங்க நம்மளோட அந்த கிரைன்ஸ் எல்லாமே பிரிக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த கிரைன்ஸ் எல்லாமே கலெக்ட் பண்ணி மேல இருந்து அடிப்பாங்க. அப்ப அடிக்கும் போது என்ன ஆகும், நம்மளோட கிரைன்ஸ் எல்லாமே செப்பரேட்டா விழுந்துரும், மீதி எல்லாமே வந்து வேஸ்டேஜா போயிரும், ஓகே? Yeah.
Ma'am, these if when it becomes dry, they used to give this for cows and all, ma'am.
யா அது எல்லாமே வந்து கவுஸ்
cows.
கொடுத்துருவாங்க அந்த மீதி இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே. யா.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you write the first line? It is the definition of threshing, okay? The first line is nothing but the definition of threshing. It's a process used to separate grains from stalks.
Is called
Stocks means what?
Ma'am, ma'am, that wastage part which is given to that cows.
that's
Yeah, wastage part that given to the cow. But நம்ம வந்து என்ன சொல்றோம்னா அந்த steam, அந்த plant வளரும் இல்லையா இவ்வளவு தூரம், அதோட ஸ்டீம்னு கூட
ma'am.
நம்ம வந்து சொல்லிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டீமை
Yes,
வந்து
ma'am.
கலெக்ட் பண்ணி மொத்தமா நம்ம வந்து செப்பரேட் பண்ணும்போது அந்த ஸ்டாக்ஸ் எல்லாமே கவுஸ்க்கு நம்ம வந்து கொடுத்துருவோம். ஓகே, that stocks and the wastage part are given to the cows. Okay,
Cows.
yeah.
Ma'am, you can
So,
write the
yeah.
second point too.
Yeah, second point also you can write that. In this process, the stalks are beaten to free the grain seeds. Okay, beaten அப்படின்னா அதுதான் நம்ம அடிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து, அதுதான் வந்து அங்க
Yes.
சொல்லிருக்காங்க. The stalks are beaten to free the grain seeds. So grain seeds வந்து அதுவாவே வந்து வெளியே வந்துரும். ஓகேவா, நம்ம தனித்தனியா வந்து பிக் பண்ணும் அப்படிங்கிற நீட் கிடையாது. So நம்ம ஒன்ஸ் நம்ம பீட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா the stalks are given ready to given the seeds. Okay, and sometimes threshing is done with the help of bullocks. So முன்னாடி வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா, it's a once upon a time. Okay, the farmers are used to beaten the stalks by using their hands only. Okay, நம்ம அந்த பிக்சர்ல பாக்குறோம் இல்லையா,
Yes, ma'am.
அந்த மாதிரி கையால தான் வந்து எல்லாத்தையுமே பீட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னாச்சு, by with the help of
Ma'am, they
bullocks.
use. Yes, ma'am.
By using the bullocks they can do the threshing. After that the machines are came. Okay, இப்போ machines எல்லாமே வரும்போது என்னாச்சு, large size grain எல்லாமே ஈஸியா வந்து threshing பண்ணி கொடுத்துரும். Okay,
Yes, ma'am. They will make it like powder, ma'am.
yeah, they will make it like a powder. Very good. So machines are
Ma'am,
used to thresh.
I have went to that place, ma'am, with my mother to give rice and make it like powder.
Points, ma'am.
Threshing completed. Very good, very good. Shivani, you
Ma'am,
completed?
I'm writing. No, ma'am.
Yeah, அந்த மெஷின் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, சில மெஷின்ஸ் எல்லாமே என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா ரைசிங் மில். கரெக்ட்?
Yes, ma'am. I have went there, ma'am.
You have to went there. அங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க ரைசிங் மில்ல?
Ma'am, they use one mission to make those rice into powders, ma'am.
Yeah, rice
They
into
love
powder.
Yes,
Ma'am, I went with my grandmother, ma'am.
You went with your grandmother. Okay, okay. So எல்லாருக்குமே இப்போ நம்ம ஃபுட்னாலே என்ன ஞாபகம் வருது, கிராண்ட்மதரோட ஃபுட். ஓகே, யார் யாருக்கெல்லாம் கிராண்ட்மதரோட
ma'am.
ஃபுட் பிடிக்கும்?
Mommy.
எனக்கும் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஓகேவா, ஏன்னா எங்க அம்மாவுக்கு சமைக்கவே
She will
தெரியாது.
cook better.
And one more thing, எனக்கும் சமைக்கவே தெரியாது. ஓகேவா?
Ma'am, she will cook better than my mother.
Who is then?
Ma'am, grandma will cook
Yeah, yeah.
better than mother.
Yeah, grandma will cook always
ma'am.
better. Okay, but
I like
our
ma'am.
moms. Okay, our moms.
Ma'am.
Our moms means your mom, my mom also. Cooking is very less than our grandmother. Okay,
Ma'am, she will
not
cook
better.
They started this before years, ma'am. So they know
Yeah,
very
they started
well.
the before 50 years before. Correct?
Ma'am,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
ma'am, and I love grandma's fish rice, ma'am.
Fish rice. Very good, very good. Superb. Shivani, your favorite rice from your grandmother is what?
Lemon rice.
And biryani
Lemon
too.
rice. Okay,
Biryani.
okay. I like a biryani from my grandmother. Yeah,
Yes.
very good. Okay, all of you finishing the threshing?
Yes,
Now you
ma'am.
can understand what is
ma'am.
mean by threshing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very good. Next we can move to the hand picking.
And
Okay, hand picking. Hand picking is a removing a large sized impurities with by hand. So hand picking is a removing a large size impurities with by our hand. சோ நம்ம ஹேண்ட்ல என்ன பண்ணிடலாம், லார்ஜ் சைஸ்ல இருக்கிற அந்த சாண்ட் ஸ்டோன் எல்லாமே நம்மளே வந்து வெளியே எடுத்துடலாம். ஓகேவா? சோ இந்த மாதிரி வந்து உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் எங்கயாவது எடுத்து பாத்திருக்கீங்களா in your home?
Ma'am, my grandmother take like this, ma'am.
எல்லா இடத்துலயும் கிராண்ட் மதர் தான் வருது. ஓகே, வெரி குட்.
Ma'am, I didn't see this.
You didn't see. But in terms of அந்த பயிர் வகையில இருக்குல்ல, அந்த பாசி பருப்பு, தட்டைப்பயிர் எல்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? அதெல்லாம் தெரியுமா?
Yes, ma'am. I have in my home, ma'am.
அதுல எல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஏதாவது ஸ்டோன்ஸ் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஹேண்ட் பிக்கிங் மெத்தட்ல தான் எடுக்கணும். ஓகே. அண்ட் இந்த ஆனியன்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஆனியனோட லீவ்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா நம்ம கையாலே எடுத்துடலாம். கரெக்ட்? அதுக்கெல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து அதுக்கு வந்து இந்த மெத்தட் கூட யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். எந்த மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் ஆனியனோட லீவ்ஸ் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு? ஓகே, நான் சொல்றேன். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் மெத்தட் அதுதான். சோ ஹேண்ட் பிக்கிங். ஓகே, hand picking is removing a large size impurities by our hand. So என்ன அப்படினா
I completed important points alone.
Okay, example also you can write. Okay, separating stones from rice and husk from wheat. Hand picking is a convenient method when the quantity of impurities is not larger. Okay, and the hand picking oda idu vettrunga. Okay, you can write the example only. Separating stones from rice and husk from wheat. Okay, and the oru line mattu single line only you can write. Do you understand, Shivani and Ashmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yeah.
Separating stones from rice and husk from wheat. Okay, that only you can write.
Ma'am, it's completed, ma'am.
Completed? Okay, okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, good. So next we can see at the threshing also seen, and this is sieving. Okay, sieving is what?
Ma'am, I have done this first picture, ma'am.
Your mom?
Ma'am, I done this before in my childhood.
Yeah. இது வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா
I have seen this, ma'am.
இது வந்து நம்ம கேம் விளையாடுறது கூட யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேவா? முன்னாடி எல்லாம் வந்து உங்கள மாதிரி தான் இன் ஸ்மாலர் ஏஜஸ்ல இருக்கும்போது நம்ம ஃப்ளோர்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, வீட் ஃப்ளோர், அதெல்லாமே வந்து போட்டு விளையாண்டுட்டே இருப்போம். ஓகேவா?
How ma'am using this one?
Using
this one, how you play, ma'am?
Play means என்னன்னா நம்ம பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு தொல்லை கொடுக்கிறது தான். அவங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க, நடுவுல போய் வந்து கொடுங்க நான் பண்றேன் அப்படின்ட்டு அதை எடுத்து பண்ணுவேன். அகைன் என்ன ஆகும்னா திட்டு விழுந்துட்டே இருக்கும். Generally I scold. Okay, my moms are scolding several times. இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணாத, உனக்கு தெரியாது, இத விடு, வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாலும் அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்னா பாக்குறது இருக்குமா?
I got this scolding many times, ma'am.
Many times. Okay, you Ashmita, you didn't get any scolding from your mothers?
I was scolded, ma'am. In childhood only, ma'am. I will go and disturb my mother in the kitchen.
Yeah, similarly I will also do. Okay, in smaller ages I will go kitchen and I will do many disturbance to my mother and grandmother too. Okay,
grandmother will not disturb.
Grandmother will not disturb. Okay, so you can write.
Not tell anything.
Yeah. So sieving allows fine particles to pass through the holes of the sieve while the bigger particles remain on the sieve. Okay, so இந்த இது வந்து sieving வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இப்ப கூட நம்மளோட அந்த சப்பாத்தி ரெடி பண்றதுக்குலாம் நம்ம வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay, nowadays yeah, we have to use the sieving method for preparing a chapati also. Chapati, puri,
எது பண்ணாலுமே clean that powder. Clean that powder.
Yeah, so இந்த மெத்தட் வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். கரெக்ட்டா?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so by cleaning the powder we can use this method sieving, because the powders are very in smaller size, they can move to the holes, but the bigger size of particles can't move to the holes, that remains on the sieve. So that particles and that dust we can remove by easily. Okay. So in a flour mill, impurities like husk and stones are removed from wheat before grinding it. So sieves are also used at construction sites to separate pebbles and stones from sand. இந்த கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ்ல எல்லாம் பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? இந்த மாதிரி செகண்ட் பிக்சர் தான் வச்சிருப்பாங்க. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
அதுல என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? சாண்ட போட்டு இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. பாத்திருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they'll use this for making sand separate, ma'am, from those
Yeah.
stones.
அந்த சாண்ட்ல வந்து ஸ்மால் சைஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்டோன்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கும். சோ நமக்கு வந்து என்ன வேணும்? பியூர் சாண்ட் தான் வேணும். For construction we have to
Sand
need
will
pure
be-
sand.
Ma'am, sand will be falling down, ma'am, from that.
Yeah, sand will be falling down. அந்த பிக்சர்ல கீழ இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே sand, மேல இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே என்னது? It's a small size of stones
Stone.
and dust. Okay. So can you write this? Sieving?
Yes, ma'am, I wrote
finished?
important point.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next we can see the sources of food. Okay, regional food. What are the regional food?
Ma'am, if it is a place like north means what and all they eat there, it is that food, ma'am. That's regional
Yeah.
food.
Correct. Very good, very good. So அதுல வந்து
According to their
நம்மளோட சைடு என்ன? நார்த் ஆர் சவுத்?
south.
இஸ் சவுத். அந்த சவுத்ல இருக்கிற ஃபுட்ட ரீட் பண்ணுங்க பாப்போம்.
Appam,
Upma,
dosa,
உப்மா, தோசா,
idli, rasam, chutney.
ரசம். அப்புறம் வேற என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அங்க?
Ma'am,
நாரியல் சட்னி. நாரியல் மீன்ஸ் வாட்?
Ma'am, what is
coconut.
Coconut. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Nariyal means it's a
Benga
coconut.
chutney we will tell, ma'am.
Yeah. So இதெல்லாமே சாப்பிட்டிருக்கீங்களா? உப்மா, தோசா, இட்லி, ரைஸ், ரசம்.
Yes, ma'am.
All are
Yes,
eaten
ma'am.
this. Okay. But I didn't eat upma because I don't like that.
Yes, ma'am. Same, ma'am.
Same, ma'am. Okay. So
Ma'am,
next
I like little bit, ma'am. I like little bit.
you like
Yesterday
little
I
bit.
ate that only, ma'am. Yesterday
Okay,
I
in
ate that.
north side. Okay, see the north side. The first one is chapati. Okay.
Ma'am,
After
what
that,
I'm
paranda,
eating every
okay?
day.
you will eat that chapati in your everyday. Okay, day to day life. In every day you can eat that and all. Okay. So next step, paranda. Paranda is nothing but barota. Okay. And puri, dal, okay, sabji, lassi, kheer, meat, etc. That north side also we can eat now, correct? நம்ம அந்த தால் எல்லாமே இப்ப சாப்பிட்டுட்டு தானே இருக்கோம். In afternoon food we can use to eat a dal, and some days we can use to
North side, ma'am.
yeah, these are all the foods used to eat in a north side. Okay, but south side வந்து என்னன்னா உப்மா, தோசா, இட்லி, ரைஸ், ரசம் இப்படிதான் நம்ம வந்து சாப்பிடணும். ஆனா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்? சப்பாத்தி சாப்பிடுறோம், பூரி சாப்பிடுறோம், பரோட்டா சாப்பிடுறோம். நம்ம
Even
என்ன
dal,
வந்து
ma'am.
yeah, dal
Even
also
dal.
we can eat. Even dal.
Ma'am, I
அதெல்லாம் இப்ப
used
நம்ம
to
என்ன
drink
பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்?
lassi.
Ah,
I
lassi.
used to drink.
We have to
Ma'am.
use drink lassi.
Ma'am, in this side they are so lucky, ma'am.
East.
They are
Yeah,
so
rice
lucky
and fish
because
curry.
they get fish curry.
Fish curry, rice and fish curry. And
Ma'am, on
Rajasthan.
Kerala if I go, my
Yeah,
grandmother
for
will
Kerala,
make
okay. See Kerala. Kerala is appam, puttu, payasam. Okay. Can you see this? And if you want this PPT, I will send you. Okay, send it to you. Do you
How,
want this
ma'am?
PPT?
Huh?
Do you want this PPT or not?
Ma'am, how will you send, ma'am?
I will send by your email ID. Okay. You give your email or your father's mail, and I will give this PPT to your mail ID. Okay.
Ma'am, mine you have already.
Yeah, you knew already. I know that. So in the food எல்லாமே எழுத வேண்டாம். Okay, just see that food and read like it, and I will give the PPT to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So next வந்து குஜராத்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா தோக்லா கடி ரொட்டி. ரொட்டி பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? ரொட்டி நான் சாப்பிட்டிருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
நான் எப்படி இருக்கும்?
Ma'am, it will be like white
White color chapati, correct?
round
Yes,
shaped.
ma'am.
Ah,
Round shaped.
round shaped
shaped,
white color chapati.
Ma'am,
அப்படியே
it will be
வச்சுக்கலாம்.
so. Ma'am, it will be so thick also, ma'am.
Yeah, so thick.
Ma'am, I ate in RHR hotel with paneer gravy.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I
paneer.
also ate many times, ma'am. With
Many
paneer
times.
only.
Okay, okay.
Favorite food also, ma'am.
Your favorite paneer? Very good, very good, very good.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next
Mine
we can
also,
see
ma'am.
that the components
Mine
of
is
food.
also.
Okay. So the main components of food are carbohydrates. Please written these lines only. Okay. You have to write these lines. So the main components of foods are carbohydrates, proteins. Next what? Fat, vitamins and minerals. These are called nutrients. Okay. So the main components of foods are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. So these are all called nutrients. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, meat comes under what, ma'am? Meat.
Meat.
Yes, ma'am. Fats
Meat
or
or meat?
proteins? Meat, ma'am. Fish, that and all, ma'am.
Yeah,
That comes
yeah.
from the what, ma'am?
That come from fat. So அதுக்கு தான் கீழே examples இருக்கு பாத்துங்க. Carbohydrates. Okay. Carbohydrates or there are many examples. Okay. Let me see one by one in the next slide.
Vegetables.
Yeah, vegetables and protein.
Seeds.
The
Yes,
examples of
seeds.
protein is nothing but meat and fish, cheese, eggs, beans, bread, hams, and nuts and seeds. Okay. So இதெல்லாமே சாப்பிடுறீங்களா? Proteins items
Yes, ma'am.
like cheese, eggs,
Yes, ma'am.
beans, bread,
Yes,
nuts
ma'am.
and seeds. Okay, then only
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can get a high protein. Okay, the protein is very very important to our health. And next fat.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I didn't get avocado, ma'am.
What rakana?
Avocado in fats.
Avocado.
Yes, ma'am.
So and food highs in fat is nothing but fatty meats. Okay, and cheese, butter.
Ma'am, I love chocolate.
Yes, ma'am. Especially Ooty chocolates.
Dairy milk.
Teacher is missing. Missing.
Amma. Avocado. You are the host now and சொல்லுது. வந்துட்டாங்க.
Okay, all of you there?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, good, good, good.
அது ரெக்கார்டிங்ல இருக்கு. வந்தோம்.
Okay, can you see that? The components of food?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, sorry for the network issues, okay? And the food contains carbohydrates, proteins, fat, and vitamins and minerals. Okay?
Teacher.
So next we can see one by one. What is mean by
Auntie, you wrote that.
carbohydrates? And what is mean by proteins? What is mean by fat? And what is mean by vitamins? Okay, first we can see about carbohydrates. So
Ma'am, for
carbohydrates
this
are
also
also called as,
only important points, ma'am. For this
yeah,
also only.
I will tell the important points, okay? Can you write that only? Carbohydrates are also called as energy giving food, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So first நான் சொல்றத மட்டும் எழுதிக்கோங்க. Carbohydrates ன்னு நேம் போட்டுட்டு அதுல ஒரு சின்ன ஹைஃபன் போட்டுக்கோங்க, okay? Give the hyphen carbohydrates. After that you should write the one hyphen, okay? It's a energy giving food. After the hyphen you can write energy giving food because carbohydrates are only giving the energy to us, okay? So after the carbohydrates you can put one hyphen. After that you can write Ashmita
My place.
எடக்கண்ணா
Energy giving food, ma'am.
energy giving food, okay?
Ma'am, can
After
I shift
hyphen.
my place?
Yeah, what?
Ma'am, can I shift my place?
Yeah, you can shift. Yeah.
Yes.
So after hyphen you can write it is energy giving food, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And the second line irukka and the line எழுதிக்கோங்க. It is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen.
Carbon.
அங்கே இருக்கு பாருங்க, okay? Can you see in the second line? Second line itself it
Yes,
is there.
ma'am. Hydrogen. Oxygen.
Ma'am, which
Okay,
one?
now, yeah. So after hyphen, you can write it's a energy giving food. Okay, Ashmita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, the second point is it is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay. It is made up of what?
Carbon,
The
hydrogen.
carbohydrates are made up of
Carbon,
Yeah, carbon,
hydrogen,
hydrogen.
and oxygen.
and oxygen. Okay. So there are three types of carbohydrates. One is sugars, second one is starch, third one is cellulose. Okay. Sugar,
Ma'am, what is
starch and cellulose.
Ma'am, this also
What
we
are
have to copy.
Yeah. The 3 points only you can write. The sugar, starch and cellulose only you can write. Okay.
Yes.
There are 3 types of carbohydrates are there. One is what? Sugar. Second one is starch. The third one is cellulose. Okay.
Types.
அதுக்கப்புறம் அது என்னென்ன அப்படின்றத நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Okay.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Because I will send it to the I send it the PPT to your mail. Okay. You can see the definition of sugar, starch and cellulose. But now there is a there is no time to write all those things. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
If I
totally how
taking the
many
time
slides
to
are
write,
there, ma'am?
the class is goes till 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
How many slides are there, ma'am?
Another 4 slides only. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, you can write Ashmita. Sugar, starch, cellulose.
I wrote, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So the sugar is nothing but it's a simple carbohydrate having a sweet taste. Okay. Sugars பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? நம்ம காஃபி, டீல எல்லாம் sugar add பண்ணுவோம் தெரியுமா?
Ma'am.
Yeah. So sugar is nothing but a simple carbohydrate having a sweet taste. The sources of sugars are glucose, sugar cane, milk and fruits. Okay. Such as banana, apple, grapes, etc. Okay. These are all no need to write. Just only listen. Okay. Sugars எல்லாமே தெரியும் இல்லையா? Do you
Yes,
like
ma'am.
sugars?
Yes, ma'am. But little bit
Okay,
only.
very good. Okay. Next, it's a starch. Okay. Starch is nothing but a complex carbohydrate. It's a tasteless, colorless, okay, white powder. Sources of starch are wheat, masai, potato and rice. Okay. From that only we can get a starch. Okay, ma'am. நமக்கு ரைஸ்ல சாப்பிடுறோம் இல்லையா?
I like
Rice
potatoes very
எப்போ
much.
சாப்பிடணும்? Yeah, you like potato. Okay.
Yeah, so.
So KFC chickenல வந்து potato french fries தருவாங்க தெரியுமா? French fries are also made by potatoes.
Yes,
Do you know that?
yes, ma'am.
Do
Whenever
you like the french fries?
potato, I will dip the
Yes,
potato
ma'am.
into the
All-
sauce and I will eat, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
good,
my
good.
mother itself will make and give me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mother
Easy
itself
to-
making. Very good, very good. And I also making that french fries and potato chips also because I liked to eat potatoes, chips and etc. like a potato. Okay. So wheat, masai, potato and rice are the starch. Okay. The examples of the sources of starch. And next cellulose. It's present in the plant cell wall. Okay. Plant oda cell இருக்கும் இல்லையா? நமக்கு எப்படி
Yes,
ஹியூமன்ஸ்க்கு வந்து செல்ஸ் இருக்கோ similarly plants also having the cells in the wall of the plant. So it's a complex carbohydrate. Humans cannot digest cellulose. Okay. நம்ம cellulose வந்து நம்மளால இது பண்ண முடியாது, digest பண்ண முடியாது. So this is the carbohydrates. Next one is proteins. Okay. So proteins helps in a body growth and repairs the tissues.
Nice.
So it is also called as body building food. So நீங்க என்ன எழுதணும்? proteins னு போட்டு it's a body building food. That and all you have to write. Proteins hyphen it's a body building food. Okay. Do you understand? It's a simple word. Protein என்னது? Body building food. இது carbohydrate என்னது?
Uh,
Ma'am, energy giving food.
Yeah, energy giving food. Okay. For protein, it's a body building food. Okay. Do you understand? So
Yes,
for
ma'am.
carbohydrate, it's a energy giving food. For protein, it's a body building food. So we can get the protein from milk, eggs, meat, fish, and all kinds of etc. Okay. This is the examples of sources of proteins. And it's a molecule made of large number of smaller molecules. Okay. And the daily requirement of protein for adults is 1 gram per kilogram of the body weight. So நம்ம வந்து என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா நம்ம வந்து டெய்லி வந்து புரோட்டீன் சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? In the daily basis you can add a milk and you can add a egg. Okay. நீங்க டெய்லி மில்க் சாப்பிடுவீங்களா?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Night I used to drink milk.
Night or morning or both?
Night.
Night time
night.
only. Night time only. Okay, Ashmita, you take a milk in what time? Morning
night.
or night?
Night, evening, morning.
Evening? Oh, 3 times. Night,
Yes, ma'am.
evening, morning. But Shivani, you take only 1 time. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my mother used to mix turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder.
Yes, ma'am.
In milk.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
milk, she used to mix the turmeric powder. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We can mix, ma'am.
We can eat, ma'am. It's good, ma'am.
Okay. It is like or not? It's good. Do you like
Yes,
that
ma'am.
milk with the turmeric powder?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Super. So next we can see fat. Okay. So fats are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. Butter, ghee, milk, egg yolk and nuts and cooking oils are the major sources of fat in our food. So நமக்கு fat எதுல இருந்து கிடைக்கும் தெரியும் இல்லையா? Butter.
Ma'am, definition for
சாப்பிடுவீங்களா?
this one, ma'am. Fats. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Fat
fats are made
definition.
by, okay, the definition is nothing but fats are made by carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. That and all you have to write for fats. Okay.
Made.
Fats are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen.
Ma'am, same thing on carbohydrates also, ma'am.
Yeah, carbohydrates also same thing.
Ma'am, I have doubt, ma'am. This fish, meat are also present in proteins also, ma'am. Fats also, ma'am.
Yeah, also, but fat வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா little amount of fat is there and the large amount of protein is there. In a meat and fishes, the little amount of fat is there and the large amount of protein is there. Okay. So fat க்கு வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா excess energy in the body. Okay. You can write the fat hyphen excess energy of our body. Fat is nothing but excess energy. Okay. Excess
Ma'am, when
energy.
Ma'am, when the energy or food is not present in our body, fats are used, ma'am.
Yeah, fat is formed. Okay. So the excess energy of our body is called as fat. So fat is what? Now fat is what? The excess energy of our body. Okay. Ashmita, you write excess energy of our body?
Yes,
Yeah, very good, very good.
ma'am. There's something you sent us to us, no, ma'am.
Yeah, this PPT is also sent. Okay. So next we can see to the vitamins and minerals. Vitamin நமக்கு நிறைய இருக்கு இல்லையா? Vitamin B1, B2, B3, B4, vitamin A, B,
Yes,
C, D, E. Okay.
E
So அதைத்தான் நம்ம வந்து பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகேவா? So இந்த விட்டமின் எல்லாமே தெரியுமா? விட்டமின் A, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, விட்டமின் B12. அதோட ஃபுட்டோட எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் தான் பாருங்க. ஓகே. லிவர், ஆரஞ்சு, yellow fruits.
This we have to write, ma'am. This
No
we
need.
have to write.
No need. Okay. So these are all the vitamin B groups. Okay. And the deficiency diseases. Okay. Once you got the deficiency of that vitamin, we have the.
Ma'am, I learned this, ma'am, till D, ma'am. Till D, and science
Till
I
D.
learned last year. Yes, ma'am. Last year
Okay,
I
very
learned.
good, very good. Superb. So the vitamins and minerals. Okay, vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C, and vitamin D. And calcium, iodine, iron are the minerals. Okay. So calcium is used for making the bone strong. Correct? Do you understand? The calciums are used to making the bones. Our bones are very strong. And the stronger இருக்கிறதுக்கு calcium வந்து useful ஆ இருக்கும். Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And iron. Iron நம்ம எதுக்கு சாப்பிடுறோம்?
Ma'am, for being strong.
Yeah, for being strong. So all of these calcium, iodine, iron are for being strong only we can have to eat. Okay? But calcium na அப்படியே calcium எடுத்து சாப்பிட முடியுமா? சொல்லுங்க.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Similarly,
Ma'am,
iron. Iron na நம்ம வந்து iron எடுத்து அப்படியே சாப்பிட முடியுமா?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, calcium is for making strong of our bones and tooth.
Yeah, tooth. அப்ப நம்ம கால்சியத்துக்கு நம்ம வந்து என்ன சாப்பிடணும்? What you have to eat for calcium minerals?
Milk.
Yeah, milk. Very good. Next.
Ma'am, mostly carbohydrates.
Yeah, mostly carbohydrates. And iron? For iron? Dates தெரியுமா? Dates.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dates. அப்புறம் வந்து இந்த black grapes தெரியுமா? Black கலர்ல இருக்குள்ள grapes.
Yes.
அதெல்லாமே சாப்பிட்டா iron வந்து increase ஆகும். Okay? So the strength of iron will increases by eating the grapes and the dates and milk also. Okay? So similarly, there are the foods or giving the calcium, iodine, iron and vitamin A, B1. But here we can see the deficiency. Okay? Night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, osteomalcia. Okay? Anemia. Yeah. Goiter, anemia. So these are all the diseases. In the diseases எல்லாம் எப்போ வரும்? When the diseases all came?
Some nutrients or minerals or vitamins are not present in our body.
Yeah. So the deficiency that not presenting is also known as deficiency. Okay.
If it is not balanced, ma'am, properly.
Yeah, very good. So if vitamin A is not in our body, not present in our body means the night blindness will came. Night blindness na தெரியுமா என்னன்னு?
We can't see on night, ma'am. It will be
after evening 6 o'clock there is nothing. Okay? அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா?
Yes.
So many moviesல நம்ம வந்து இந்த மாதிரி பார்த்திருக்கோம். Okay? Can you see the movies?
Yes.
Night blindness movies?
Ma'am, before the invention of bulb, ma'am, after 6 o'clock, they can't see anything, ma'am.
Yeah. Because after 6 the sun will set. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good. So similarly vitamin B1. So the deficiency of vitamin B1 will give a beriberi diseases. And vitamin C give a scurvy. And similarly vitamin D, calcium, iodine and iron. Okay? So here the symptoms of the diseases. What Kanna?
Ma'am, what is today's homework?
Today homework. Yeah, very good. So
Ma'am, I
let's
didn't
conclude
complete
the
last. I
last
didn't
homework. You
complete.
complete? You
No,
didn't?
ma'am.
Okay. That is no problem. This is a biology class. And last week நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? It's a physics class. So next time physics class வரும்போது அது நீங்க எனக்கு சப்மிட் பண்ணா போதும். Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. இன்னைக்கு வந்து biology class தான் பார்த்திருக்கோம். இதுல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? அப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஒரு homework என்ன அப்படின்னா இந்த முன்னாடி இருக்கு இல்லையா?
Yes, ma'am. Table, ma'am.
Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay? புரிஞ்சதா?
Yes, ma'am.
இது
Yes,
ஒவ்வொன்னா
ma'am. Yeah.
எழுதிக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? You can write one by
Yes.
one. First, you can make a column. One column is made for carbohydrate, another column is for protein, another column is for fat, another column is for vitamins and minerals. Okay? You can arrange the 4 columns for each one. Okay? Do you understand? You can split the 4 columns. For each column, you can write a carbohydrate, protein, fat, and vitamins and minerals. Okay? Under the columns, you
Ma'am,
can
we
write
have
the
to
examples
find,
of.
ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
foods, ma'am.
இந்த இதுலயே வந்து drawing தான். ஓகேவா? The homework is nothing but drawing.
Ma'am, my thought, ma'am.
So, உங்களுக்கு every class.
Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and
Ma'am,
minerals.
we have to draw the food, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, very
according
good.
to table.
அதாவது அந்த டேபிள் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டு டேபிளுக்கு உள்ள என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா யூ கேன் ரைட் த எக்ஸாம்பிள். நம்பர் 1 கார்போஹைட்ரேட்டோட எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன சொல்லுங்க பாப்போ, ஏதாவது ஒண்ணு.
Rice.
த எக்ஸாம்பிள் இஸ் ரைஸ். ஓகே, அப்ப நீங்க வந்து சின்ன சின்னதா ரைஸ் மாதிரி கீழே வரையணும். ஓகே, டு யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்?
Ma'am, how many
And the second
examples
example.
for one? Ma'am, for
Yeah.
how
You
many
can
examples
you
for
can
one?
take you can take a 5 examples for each. You can write
Yes.
carbohydrates 5 examples and the drawing for that 5 examples. Okay. இப்போ ரைஸ் எழுதுறீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த ரைஸோட டயகிராம் கீழ இருக்கும். Similarly for each examples you can draw. Similarly for proteins. Protein also you can draw 5 examples. இதிலே பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா fish இருக்கு, cheese இருக்கு, egg இருக்கு. ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் எழுதும்போது நீங்க டிரா பண்ணிடலாம் ஈஸியா. Similarly fat. Okay, for fat also you can write a cheese, butter, avocado and nuts. Chocolate also is there. Okay, your favorite chocolate and my favorite chocolate is Dairy Milk. Okay,
Me
and
Ma'am.
fish is also there.
I like Ooty
Yeah.
chocolates.
Ooty
Ma'am,
chocolate.
Dairy
Yeah.
Milk is my favorite, ma'am.
Dairy Milk is your favorite? Yeah, give a high five. உங்களுக்கு எனக்கும் நிறைய இது வந்து ரொம்பவே நல்லா இருக்கு. ஓகே, சோ வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா விட்டமின்ஸ் அண்ட் மினரல்ஸ். ஓகே, விட்டமின்ஸ்ல வரைய தெரியலையா? ஆரஞ்சு,
Ma'am,
banana.
one doubt.
Yeah, what's
Ma'am,
your doubt?
Ma'am, carbohydrates are also present in fruits and vegetables, ma'am. Even vitamins and minerals are also present in fruits and vegetables.
There is no doubt. Okay, so you can write any 5 examples for carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, whether it is same or not, that's not a problem. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
It's same for carbohydrates and vitamins. It is not a problem, but you should give 5 examples for each. Okay, அத மட்டும் எழுதிக்கோங்க பாப்போம் சீக்கிரமா. The homework is what is your homework for next class?
Ma'am, draw table.
Yeah, draw a table and draw the picture also. Do you understand? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats and vitamins and minerals, you can give 5 examples and each 5 example you can draw also. Do you understand? So நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா எல்லா கிளாஸ்லயும் நம்ம வந்து drawing தான் உங்களுக்கு homeworks.
Yes, ma'am.
புரியுதா?
Yes,
ம்.
ma'am. Only you are giving drawing as homework.
Yeah. It is nice or bad?
Yes, nice, ma'am.
Nice. You like drawing or it's a boring?
Drawing.
Drawing. Homework boring இருக்கா? Whether it is boring, my
No,
homework?
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
So Ashmita, your drawings வந்து show பண்ணுங்க பாப்போம். Ashmita வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா last class ஓட homeworks finish பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
no, ma'am.
It's not atoms. Atoms இல்ல, energyயோட homeworks. So Shivani, நீங்க last class finish பண்ணிட்டீங்க இல்லையா? Last class itself you finished the energy
Yes,
homeworks. So Ashmita now only finished. Okay, yeah, Ashmita கொஞ்சம் பக்கத்துல வச்சு காட்டுங்க. பக்கத்துல Shivani, can you see that?
No, ma'am. I can't see her photo.
இப்ப தெரியுதா?
No, ma'am.
நோ. ஓகே ஓகே, என்ன சொல்றேன் அப்படின்னா சிவானி அண்ட் அஷ்மிதா, உங்களோட ஹோம்ஒர்க்ஸ் எல்லாமே நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், ஒரு போட்டோ காப்பி எடுத்து எனக்கு சென்ட் பண்ண சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, மெயில்ல குருஜி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் சர்வீஸ்ல போடுன்னு சொன்னேன்ல.
Yes, ma'am.
ஓகே.
Magnets and force, light energy, chemical energy,
யா, chemical energy.
kinetic energy.
It is not kinetic, that is potential energy.
Sorry, ma'am. This is only
Ah.
kinetic energy, magnetic energy,
Magnetic energy,
heat
heat
energy,
energy
sound
and
energy.
sound energy. Okay, yeah, very good, very good. So உங்களோட ஹோம்ஒர்க்ஸ் எல்லாமே அப்படியே பத்திரமா வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஆஃப்லைன் கிளாसेस வருவோம் இல்லையா நம்ம,
Offline.
ஆஃப்லைன் கிளாसेस மீன்ஸ் வாட், நம்ம வந்து இந்த மாதிரி வந்து போன்ல பேசாம நேர்ல பேச போறோம். ஓகே,
Yes.
யா, அந்த மாதிரி நேர்ல வரும்போது உங்களோட ஹோம்ஒர்க் கண்டிப்பா நான் செக் பண்ணுவேன். ஓகே, I will
Ma'am,
check
I
your
have
homework
that homework
definitely.
near me itself, ma'am. I have it near me.
யா, ஓகே. சோ யாரும் வந்து மறந்துட கூடாது. ஓகே, சோ சிவானி கண்டிப்பா வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், மீட் பண்றோம், ஒன் டே மீட் பண்றோம், ஹோம்ஒர்க்ஸை செக் பண்றோம். ஓகே.